Multiplication of animal viruses. Animal viruses differ from phage virus in mechanism of entering the host cell due to difference in host cell, that is, one is prokaryotes and other is eukaryote in nature. It may be in steps. First is attachment. Animal viruses like bacteriophage passes attachment site with the help of which it attaches to the receptor site present on the host cell surface. The receptor sites are the proteins or glycoproteins present on membrane surface of the host cell. The attachment site of one group of virus differ from other. Distribution of these proteins play a key role in the tissue and host specificity of animal viruses. Example: poliovirus receptors are found only in human nasopharynx, gut and cell of spinal cord, while receptors of measles viruses are present in most tissues. Difference in nature of polio and measles can be explained through the dissimilarity in the distribution of receptor proteins of host cells to which viruses get adsorbed. In some naked viruses, like adenoviruses, the attachment site are small fibers at the corners of the icosahedron. In involved viruses, like myxoviruses, the attachment site are the spikes present on the surface of the envelope. In influenza virus, there are two types of spikes, H spikes and N spikes. The H spikes attach to the host cell receptor site and recognize ciatic acid. Influenza neuraminidase helps the virus in penetrating the nasal and respiratory tract secretions by degrading the mucosal polysaccharides. Receptor sites also vary from person to person. Now the second stage is penetration. After the attachment of virus penetrates the host cell, the enveloped animal viruses penetration occurs by endocytosis, a process of binding, a process of bringing nutrients into the cell. If a virion attached to a small outfolding, that is microvilli of plasma membrane of host cell, it will unfold the virion into a fold or plasma membrane, forming vesicle. When the virion is enclosed within a vesicle, its envelope is disintegrates and the capsid is digested, resulting in release of nucleic acid in cytoplasm. Penetration may be direct. Penetration may be direct. Some naked viruses, like poliovirus, undergoes a major change in capsid structure after adsorption to the plasma membrane. This change facilitates the release of nucleic acid into cytoplasm. The next type may be fusion with plasma membrane. The enveloped viruses, like paramyxovirus, fuse directly with the host plasma membrane and nucleocapsid is deposited in cytoplasmic matrix where encoding is done. The third type may be endocytosis. Most enveloped viruses enter the host cell through engulfment by receptors mediated endocytosis and form coated vesicles coated pits with the protein clathrin. Lysosomes help in uncoating of virion inside the cytoplasm. The next step is uncoating. Uncoating is the process of separation of viral nucleic acid from protein coat. Although process is not fully understood, but lysosomes enzymes play a key role of host cell by degrading protein coat make nucleic acid free in cytoplasm. In poxviruses, the viral DNA synthesizes a specific protein after infection, thus it varies with virus group. Next step is the replication. Replication process in DNA where viruses differ from RNA viruses. However, in some DNA viruses, multiplication occurs in cytoplasm, like poxvirus, and in some other replication occurs in nucleus of host, like papavirus, adenovirus, herpes virus. Now, next step is assembly and release. After replication of genetic material and synthesis of viral protein, assembly of viral particles occurs inside host cell, and these after they are released from the host cell.